GPT-5 will have Ph.D. level intelligence. New GPT-5 update. Imagine a world where AI can think, reason, and create as well as the smartest humans. That sounds like something out of science fiction, right? What if I told you that the future is not so far away after all? In this movie, we'll look at the amazing progress made by GPT-5, an AI model with the intelligence of a Ph.D. This might be the big discovery that changes everything we think we know about how people use technology and connect with each other. Pay attention because what you're about to learn could change the way we think about what is possible. GPT's development, GPT-1 to GPT-4. It is necessary to examine the development of GPT-5's predecessors in order to comprehend the relevance of GPT-5. With every iteration, the GPT series has experienced significant changes, including larger parameters, better language comprehension, and more contextual awareness. GPT-1, presented in 2018, GPT-1 established the foundation for future developments. It was trained on a wide variety of internet content and possessed 117 million parameters. Though revolutionary in its day, its functionalities paled in comparison to those of subsequent iterations. GPT-2. With 1.5 billion parameters, GPT-2 was a major advancement. Even its developers were shocked by how well it could produce text that was both intelligible and contextually appropriate, which raised questions about potential abuses like producing deepfakes or fake news. OpenAI was hesitant to make the entire model available to the public at first because of this. GPT-3. Having 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 gained widespread recognition. Without specialized training, it could carry out a variety of activities like coding, translating, and even passing medical exams. Along with excitement, its debut spurred ethical discussions regarding the place of AI in society. GPT-4. The most current version improved upon the features of the previous one. They added multi-modal capabilities, which let it create and process photos, videos, and text. Additionally, GPT-4 showed decreased bias, increased sensitivity to ethical issues, and enhanced accuracy. The world is now excitedly awaiting GPT-5, a model that has the potential to be a groundbreaking intellectual entity in addition to being more than just a tool. What is intelligence at the Ph.D. level? Ph.D. level intelligence evokes thoughts of highly specialized knowledge, the capacity for creative research, and critical thinking. A Ph.D. in humanities demands years of study, in-depth understanding in a particular topic, and the capacity to add new insights to the corpus of knowledge. Ph.D. level intelligence suggests that an AI such as GPT-5 is capable of handling intricate, specialized activities with a degree of comprehension similar to that of a human expert. Advanced knowledge and reasoning. GPT-5 is anticipated to be able to access enormous volumes of material and comprehend it at a far more profound level. This implies that it might come up with novel theories, carry out in-depth research, and provide insights that are comparable to those of human scholars. Critical thinking and problem solving. In addition to memorization, the GPT-5 may show that a candidate can assess various sources critically, point out knowledge gaps, and come up with creative solutions to challenging issues. This has the potential to completely transform industries like scientific research, where AI can help develop new hypotheses or find creative uses for previously discovered information. Specialization in multiple domains. An actual Ph.D. usually focuses on one field, while the GPT-5 is able to learn several subjects at once. Whether it's medieval literature, molecular biology, or quantum physics, GPT-5 potentially offer expert-level understanding in a variety of fields. Ethical considerations and decision-making. An AI with a Ph.D. would also be required to make ethical decisions by assessing the pros and drawbacks of various options and deciding on a course of action that is consistent with human values. This capacity may be essential in domains where moral judgment is critical, such as healthcare, law, and governance. The GPT-5's potential capabilities. In light of these qualities, what particular abilities may GPT-5 have? The following are a few of the most intriguing options. First-hand studies and scholarly works. The ability of GPT-5 to further academic research is one of its most eagerly awaited characteristics. In contrast to earlier models that mainly assimilate current information, GPT-5 has the ability to develop original theories, plan experiments, and even collaborate with human researchers on research publications. In the future, research assistants powered by artificial intelligence (AI) will work alongside human scholars to accelerate scientific discoveries in domains such as environmental science and medicine. Improve multimodal education and engagement. It is anticipated that GPT-5 will expand upon GPT-4's multimodal capabilities by processing and producing sophisticated data kinds such as charts, graphs, films, and potentially three-dimensional models in addition to text. With this feature, GPT-5 may communicate with a wider variety of inputs and generate outputs that are more complex. For instance, it may provide thorough diagnosis reports by analyzing medical imaging data with patient records, or it could use textual descriptions to generate complex built-in designs. Exceptional linguistic interpretation and intercultural understanding. Although GPT-4 achieved great progress in language translation, GPT-5 could surpass it by obtaining nearly flawless translation accuracy, especially for languages and dialects that are not as widely spoken. Furthermore, GPT-5 may gain a deeper comprehension of cultural quirks, enabling it to translate not just words but also context and underlying meanings, making it an effective instrument for international diplomacy and communication. Autonomous decision-making and ethical AI. Making sure that models like GPT-5 make decisions that are consistent with human ethical norms is one of the major difficulties in the development of AI. Advanced ethical reasoning skills might be added to GPT-5, enabling it to handle moral conundrums on its own in industries including law, healthcare, and driverless cars. This may result in AI systems that are more trustworthy and dependable in crucial applications. Tutoring and personalized education. GPT-5 has the potential to completely transform education by offering highly individualized coaching to children of all ages and ability levels. GPT-5 has the potential to narrow the performance gap and ensure that everyone, regardless of location or socioeconomic class, has access to high-quality education by measuring progress, providing customized feedback, and accommodating unique learning styles. Innovation and creative collaboration. GPT-5 could disprove the idea that creativity is a characteristic that is exclusive to humans by working with musicians, writers, and artists to produce original artwork. GPT-5 might be a creative partner, pushing the envelope in the humanities and arts, from authoring films to composing symphonies. Consequences of advanced intelligence in GPT-5. Although there is no denying that GPT-5 has amazing potential, there are also significant issues and problems that society needs to solve. The development of a model with intellect comparable to a doctorate could have significant effects in a number of different fields. Impact on the economy and workforce. There may be major changes in the workforce when AI develops the ability to carry out specific jobs that have hitherto been the domain of highly educated individuals. Advanced degree holders, including research scientists, legal analysts, and even educators, may face automation in their line of work. Though it also raises questions about job displacement and economic injustice, this may lead to a rethinking of employment where humans work in tandem with AI rather than in competition with it. Redefining authority and expertise. The potential for GPT-5 to surpass Ph.D. level intellect in certain fields could upend established ideas about authority and competence. Which person, the AI model or the human scholar, will be regarded as the real expert? This gives rise to concerns over the possible devaluation of human expertise, but it may also bring about a paradigm shift in academia where AI-generated information is integrated into the corpus of human scholarship. Legal and ethical difficulties. The capabilities of GPT-5 have numerous ethical ramifications. Accountability is a crucial issue as AI models get more independent and capable of making complicated decisions. If a choice made by AI has unfavorable results, who is to blame? In addition, concerns over ownership and intellectual property rights are raised by AI's capacity to produce unique research or creative works. Security and privacy issues. The potential for abuse increases along with the capabilities of AI models such as GPT-5. Advanced artificial intelligence has the potential to produce extremely realistic deepfakes, provide false information, or even launch cyberattacks. Developers, legislators, and society as large will face a significant challenge in ensuring that GPT-5 is implemented responsibly and securely. The prospects of AI-human cooperation. With the release of GPT-5, human-AI cooperation may enter a new phase. AI may start to be seen as a collaborator in invention, creativity, and problem-solving rather than as a tool or a rival. This change in viewpoint may result in groundbreaking discoveries in the fields of science, technology, and the arts, but it will also necessitate carefully weighing the moral and societal ramifications of such a collaboration. GPT-5 embodies the state-of-the-art in artificial intelligence research and development, pushing the limits of multimodal learning, autonomous decision-making, and natural language processing. GPT-5 has the capacity to reach Ph.D. level intelligence, which might transform a variety of industries, including research, the arts, healthcare, and education. But the development of such a potent AI model also presents a number of difficulties and moral dilemmas that society will need to resolve. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You'll be the first to know about the latest breakthroughs, innovations, and everything tech-related. Don't miss out.